When equipment fails, downtime costs you money. At Air Hydropower, our repair division does more than just fix broken parts. We make them better. We take a research and development approach to repairs, identifying root causes and designing custom solutions to prevent repeat failures. With our 20,000 square foot facility, state-of-the-art machine shop, and certified machinists, we handle everything from complex rebuilds to precision modifications. And our 24/7 service means we're always ready to get you back up and running faster and better than before. Our team has engineered modifications that have extended equipment lifespans, increased performance, and eliminated recurring failures, saving our customers time and money. From evaluation to delivery, we work with precision, expertise, and commitment. Because at Air Hydropower, repair isn't just a fix, it's an upgrade. Experience repair done right. Air Hydropower.